made a few changes to our contact form component in order to integrate with the useActionState hook. The first and most notable change is the use client directive at the top of the page. Originally, our contact form was a server component, but since we're using the React hook now, we had to use the use client directive to make this a client component. We've also imported and declared the useActionState hook. So remember, the useActionState hook takes in 3 params, one of which is optional, so we've only passed 2 of these parameters in this case. The action that we want to invoke when the form is submitted, and our initial state, which we're declaring up here to be a type contact form state. Something important to note is that the action that we provide, in this case, is our add contact action. It'll receive a new first argument to its function signature, namely the current state of the form. We need to update the signature of our add contact server action to receive a new state, or the state of the form, because right now it only takes in form data. So let's go ahead and fix this error by providing a new signature value we'll call it previous state in this case. And we're going to also make it the same state that we define our initial state to be. And the last thing that we need to do is make our server action return the state that we're initializing it to be here. So in this case, we need it to return contact form state instead of just returning a void promise. So let's go ahead and change that to this. And now if we go back to our contact form, we notice that the error is no longer there. So now we can successfully take advantage of the useActionState hook.